A 1.1% decline in Arbitrum is projected for tomorrow by Traders Union. Let's kick off with a short check on today's activity. As of this update, Arbitrum has gone down 4% over the past 24 hours and is now near $0.07561. Now it's time for the analysts' takes. Capital sees the price going up to $0.07621 by tomorrow, a rise of nearly 0.8%. CoinLore expects Arbitrum could approach $0.0757, an estimated move higher of 0.1%. CoinCodex points out it could test the $0.07492 level lower, a downward move of 0.9%. A different forecast from Traders Union notes Arbitrum could head lower to $0.0748, about 1.1% below current levels. And finally, Coin Price Forecast highlights a move towards $0.0747 by tomorrow, representing a loss of 1.2%. This stands as the most profitable forecast in today's lineup. 5 calls are in for tomorrow. Let's go further. We've seen the forecasts. Now let's look at the forecast metrics. Based on the analysts' predictions, the price range is from a decrease of 1.2% to an increase of 0.8%. Considering all forecasts, Coin Price Forecast is at the top with 1.2% upturn in value by August 14. Put simply, you could come away with between $1 and $12 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at probabilities, CoinLore's forecast ranks as the strongest, with an 88.8% chance of success. From the total set of forecasts, I've put forward one consensus picture. The average of predictions leaves Arbitrum close to $0.07527. Here's the full picture. The consensus trend signals a 0.5% decline by tomorrow. That shift indicates your capital could also experience a 0.5% rise. For 1,000 invested, this scenario might mean a gain close to $5. The consensus scenario holds a likelihood of about 86.7% of taking shape. To continue, let's examine the short-term 3-day expectations. Capital expects the market to show minimal movement. For this period, similarly, CoinLore sees the price staying balanced. According to CoinCodex, the market is likely to trend downward. The view from Traders Union is that price action will be muted. Coin Price Forecast expects losses to extend. The consensus points to Arbitrum losing value across the 3-day period. So, the takeaway is clear: most analysts project Arbitrum leaning lower. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts went live. Let's see how they looked against the actual price. As a result, the daily candle closed at $0.07406. The majority of predictions turned out correct on the direction. Looking at the numbers, Capital turned out most precise. Time to line things up. 3 forecasts were inside yesterday's candle. As far as ROI is concerned, several results were positive, with the peak gain reaching 6.4%. This is the complete summary, all forecasts verified and compared. In the final stats, 30 rates posted minus 7.1% ROI and 0.20's $834 accuracy. Look across the results. Who do you think performed the best overall? Here's a side-by-side comparison of tomorrow's forecasted performance between Arbitrum and other cryptocurrencies. Dogecoin leads tomorrow's projections with 2%, while Arbitrum remains further down the list. Currently, Arbitrum is compared with 4 random cryptocurrencies. The full list with many more is already on my website. Subscribe now so the next major move doesn't slip past you. Catch you later.